Hey guys, welcome back to another video today, and today, I got a lot to talk about today. Some good, some bad, combination of both. So let's just talk about all this stuff today. So if you could, please like, comment, subscribe. Let's just get started with the video. You know, the video, I talk about what my day is about to hold, and, what has happened. So, alright, so let's just jump right into it. Let's just jump into the pool here, guys. So, today, was good so far. Fingers crossed, and Lord willing. Well, I did NuSkool today. NuSkool was great. I couldn't ask for better today. I tried to talk to people today, but they weren't communicating with me today. Like, I tried to talk to Bennett, and he was just, like, solemn, and he was just, like, he wouldn't talk to me. He was just silent, pretty much, for the most part, other than when Amanda talked to him. But, yeah, I don't know. Like, I tried to talk to Bennett today, but, because he wants to be a preschool teacher, and I said, hey, we got that in common, and he just didn't say anything. And I was saying, that's cool, dude. Like, you want to be a teacher, because I do, too. But, yeah, people weren't responding, so. Anyway, there was that today, and I was playing Minecraft and working on my glass tunnels, because I've been doing that for the past week, and been getting pretty good progress, so not too bad. I might make a video of that, I'm not sure yet. Sorry for the oobly delay, but like, I keep getting distracted about uploading the Minecraft clips, and it's just, yeah, I'm not focusing on it. So there's that for today. We just talked about personality and all that good stuff for NuSkool. I actually got an opportunity to be in a Stampy video, and I was so excited when I found out about this video. Stampy did a video about now 6 hours ago now, because when I saw it, it was 4 hours ago. But yeah, it's 2 hours later. So yeah. So that'd be 6 hours, so that's what's been going on, and, yeah, so, but pretty cool, and, yeah, not bad. Anyway, the video's about, the setup. He was talking about the setup and what you have to do to be in the video. Basically, doing a voice recording, and you submit it to his Yahoo, so Stampy's Yahoo, so stampy@yahoo.com. And you send him a voice recording. It can't be rude, but it has to be something that will make you chuckle, you know, make you laugh. Something that will make him laugh hysterically, like he said in the video. Yeah, so it can't be rude, you know, crude, whatever you want to say. But the thing is, you're in a job interview, so for the character, because he's doing a Stampy short, and he's going to put some of his fans in the Stampy short for this one. So I'm going to try to send him a voice recording. I'm going to send him a video voice recording and see if I get entered in. And if I do, then I'll be in Stampy's next Stampy short, which would be really awesome. And if I could do that, my mom's going to help me out. She wrote in her little pink notepad about what the setup is for the video audio recording for Stampy's short. So, but yeah. So, the reason why I said job interview is because that's the setup. You're in a job interview, but you don't know what job it is, but your character knows the job. You see what I mean? Like, you don't know what the interview is for, but you know there's an interview, but your character knows the interview. Does that make sense? Like, he explained it a lot better in his video about talking about being entered in for the Stampy short. So just go check that video. Go check out at Stampy Longhead at youtube.com. Go check him out because he talked about that today. And this is the part of the video where I talk about some sad news. My Auntie Bev, she's been having a lot of health issues lately, and I just wanted to tell you guys that, is that a deer crying? Is that here? Looks like a deer, because I heard it once in the woods before. But anyway, I'm getting distracted. So, she's had a lot of health issues and stuff like that. And, it's just, yeah, I don't know, it's just sad to hear and see that she has all these health issues and stuff. She's 79. You guys hear that? It's like a deer crying or something. Like, you could tell it's a deer crying or something like that. Because if I can hear like a whining and squeal, that's a deer crying. Like, listen. You hear that? Anyway, but what was sad about her yesterday, my papa phoned, because he was so concerned. My Uncle Ray is too. So if you hear the deer crying, you can ignore it or listen to it. But this is what I'm going to tell you. Pray for her because she had, yesterday, she had a heart attack yesterday, and that's where it's sad. She had a heart attack in her house, and then she went to the hospital and had another one. She had another heart attack at the hospital. So she had 2 cases of a heart attack yesterday. So if you could pray for her, if you're a prayer, please pray, because she is having such difficulty with health issues, and I'm hoping it's not her time to go to heaven, but just pray for her, guys, because she's in desperate need for it. So yeah, but that's the video for today. I will do one for literally the very next lap, when I'm amongst these trees and grass and Sweetie on a leash again. So thank you guys for watching. If you want to enter in that Stampy short, please let me know, and yeah, we can work something out. So maybe even collab, I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna be working on mine. But guys, I would highly recommend that you would do it today, because I think he's only gonna take so many submissions. Because there's only so many probably he could take. He didn't say that in the video because he wasn't trying to limit anybody from doing this to be in a Stampy short. How cool would that be to be in a Stampy short? Like, that'd be awesome. Like, your voice in like an animated Minecraft video, that'd be awesome. Like, if I was in it, heck yeah, I would love to view it all the time. Country singer buddy. Country girl singer buddy. But anyway, guys, that's the video. So thank you very much, and be sure to subscribe to me. Go check out Yasmin Robertson. She actually posted her intro, and it's like a minute long. It's her intro, a minute long. Just something to post. Now I understand just to post. But yeah, so anyway, that's the video here. that you just currently watched, with me having a leash in my hand walking Sweetie. So, hope you guys enjoyed that, and the new information about Stampy and Yasmin and Monty. Bev, or Beverly. We call her Bev. That's her nickname. We call her that for short. But I didn't know that she was actually 79, because I usually don't keep up with people's age. I thought she was the same age as, like, my mom. But, boy, was I wrong. Because she didn't look old. Like, a lot of people look their age. No offense to anyone that's watched this and, you know, got offended by their age. Because I said, oh, well, some people look old. But, like, Monty Beverly, like, she kept her age well. Like, she doesn't look old at all, you know? And the same with my Uncle Ray, my Papa, and my Nanny, you know? They don't look like they're old people, you know? Me, myself, I do, but that's because, you know, I'm almost 20, like, next year I'll be 20, so, but yeah, anyway, guys, that's it. Thanks, and, I'm hearing every once in a while now the deer cry. I don't even know if it is a deer cry, but I'm pretty sure it is, because, like, I keep hearing, ee, and there's nothing back there that would go ee, unless if it was like a car, but that would be coming from that side, wouldn't it? Because the holler's down that way, but that's coming from that way, because I hear it coming from this way, right there, you know, and I don't know, so, but, waving to Dan. His full name's Danny, but yeah, he's the handyman. But anyway, yeah, our handyman. He's a good guy. Anyway, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Catch you next one. Creep it out, guys. Goodbye, Creeper fans. Creep it out. This has been Creep on Slayer. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye. Creep it out.